I've got with me a product from the spa of the world. I am of course talking about the Body Shop. Here's their Adriatic peony body wash, coming in at 8.4 ounces for the bottle size. I paid less than $5 for this at Marshall's. I will try to post a picture of the ingredient list at the end of the video, but as you can see here, they use really tiny print and it comes in 1,000 different languages. The cap on this bottle is extremely solid. Just listen to this. Yeah, that is not going to accidentally open. And then when you get done with it, if you wanted to use this bottle for other things, and I know there are people out there who like that, you certainly could. I used this for about 4 days, and I did enjoy my time with it. It has a thick, rich, and foamy lather. The aroma on the body wash, certainly a little floral. The peony is right there, or as we Americans might like to call it, peony, whatever, it's fine. It is a moderately scented body wash that women will like more than men, but I think this would be acceptable for guys as well. It smells kind of high class in my opinion, and this will linger on you for several hours close in after you step out of the shower. It is going to treat your skin quite nicely. This left me moderately moisturized after just a few days of using it. And here is a look at the viscosity. It's a white liquid and it moves at an okay pace. So it's not too thick, not too watered down, mid-range. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I will see you next time.